Changing your payout method on Keet is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment preferences are updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Keet account by entering your username and password on the login page. Make sure you are using a secure internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option, usually found in the top right corner of the homepage. Click on it to access your account management options. Step 3. Select payout methods. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Add or edit payout methods. Here, you can either add a new payout method or edit an existing one. Follow the prompts to enter your new payment details, ensuring all information is accurate. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your payout method, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to confirm your changes and ensure they are applied to your account. Once you have completed these steps, your payout method on Keet will be successfully changed. Always double check your payment details to avoid any issues in the future.